Everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at Polestar. We've got some brilliant news coming out of Polestar. Finally, there's a confirmation. Polestar has hit a major electric vehicle delivery target. This is a major accomplishment for Polestar, of course, because we were uncertain for majority of the year if Polestar will be able to make 65,000 delivery vehicles. Then they reduced that expectations. Halfway during the year, Polestar reduced their expectations, their delivery guidance from 65,000 vehicles to 50,000 vehicles. And that's due to the difficulty in manufacturing these vehicles at a time like this in China. It has been very difficult, not just for Polestar, but for other electric vehicle companies as well. This is a record-breaking month for Polestar. It's a record-breaking quarter for Polestar. They've never delivered this many vehicles in a single quarter. But this is something that they've been building up on. They've been working on accomplishing this all year long. So thankfully, this was confirmed by the CEO, Thomas Ingenlath, over on his Twitter account. And the CEO had this to say in a quote, "December Polestar cars has been a crazy mission. With an all-time high of deliveries, the team has been working extra hard for the right end of year. Mission accomplished." So they have built and delivered 50,000 vehicles this year. And many of us in the Polestar community have been celebrating, and it's been wonderful so far. So congratulations to Polestar. Now, of course, next year it will become far more difficult due to the fact that Polestar is attempting to deliver over 120,000 vehicles next year. That will be a huge accomplishment if they accomplish even 100,000. I'm getting this information and news from Electric, and it says here Polestar hits 50,000 electric vehicle delivery goal. If you're seeing more Polestar EVs on the road, it's not just you. The automaker has been racing to meet demands. Polestar is striving to accelerate the shift to sustainable mobility, going beyond just producing zero-emission cars and pushing for more transparency in the industry. The young EV maker is quickly building its brand. In April, Polestar partnered with rental giant Hertz to provide up to 65,000 EVs. Additionally, Polestar went public in June under the ticker symbol PSNY, accelerating its growth strategy with a new platform and sources of funding. The company also received $1.6 billion in funding from both Volvo and Geely, its parent company. This is to continue to drive manufacturing for the Polestar 3 and for future models of Polestar, to develop future models of Polestar. Not just the Polestar 3 and Polestar 4 that will be unveiled next year, but development on the Polestar 5 and the Polestar 6 Roadster shall continue. Now, the Polestar 3, the company's first electric SUV, officially made its debut in October with over 300 miles of range and a price tag of $84,000. Polestar plans to expand its EV lineup with another SUV, the Polestar 4. And like I said, that will be unveiled next year, and it's becoming quite exciting. So in 2023, the Polestar 5 Sports Sedan will be unveiled in 2024, and the Polestar 6 Roadster will go on sale in 2026. Well, actually, that's when it will start delivering to customers. The first 500 units of the Polestar 6 LA Concept Limited Edition is already being sold out, but these models will be delivered in 2026. Additionally, Polestar says it's planning for a new era of sports car with the Polestar 6. Recently, the Polestar CEO expressed interest in manufacturing the Polestar 7 in the European market, on the European continent, essentially building or using an existing factory in Europe to build Polestar vehicles. And this factory could be dedicated to building the Polestar 7. Now, we don't know what exactly the Polestar 7 will be. We don't know if it'll be an SUV, a sedan, a pickup truck, no idea. We don't know if it'll be another sports car or if it'll be a wagon. We've got no idea. But I think it's fair to say that it probably won't be a pickup truck, because if they were to build a pickup truck, that would be in the Americas. That would be on the American continent, due to the fact that people in the USA just love pickup trucks. The Polestar 7 could be a successor to the Polestar 2, a new sedan for the European market, and this sedan can then be shipped out to any other additional markets. The Polestar 7 will most likely be out in 2027, 2028. So on the surface, it would appear that we're a long way away. However, the thing to consider is that by that time, the Polestar 2 will be a little bit outdated if the company doesn't continue to upgrade and develop the vehicle, which means that they will need a successor. This could be the Polestar 7. Additionally, the Polestar 7 could be a new roadster, a new supercar. That's a real possibility. And my third option is of course another SUV. So those are our top 3 options. Now, although Polestar is projecting into the future with its new electric car models, the company is delivering on goals in the present. The Swedish automaker, backed by giant Geely and Volvo, has reiterated for the past several months it's on track to hit 50,000 vehicles, all being delivered by the end of this year, and they have. Polestar CEO Thomas Ingenlath said on the company's 3rd quarterly earning call, and I quote, "We are a real company, we are in production, we're putting cars on the road today, and we are delivering on our ambition growth plan." And so it seems the Polestar CEO was not bluffing. Now, to confirm this all, Bram Gerrits made a comment to the Polestar CEO saying, also, next important step is announcing that 50k production goal has been met. Thomas Ingenlath replied with a champagne bottle, essentially confirming all of our beliefs that they have hit 50,000 units delivered. Congratulations to Polestar and the entire team. And of course, if there's any Polestar employee watching this video, just to let you know, thank you for your hard work. We really appreciate it, and we're really proud of everything that you've accomplished. Thank you all. Something to end on very quickly is that the Polestar shares have rebounded. And this is just at the start of the new year. While we had a recovery towards the end of November, that recovery was short-lived. As you can see, around the 20th of December, the share price dropped down to $4.67. Finally, we're seeing a slight recovery in share price. This is an excellent way for Polestar to start the New Year's. Not to mention, Polestar will be attending the big event CES in Las Vegas. With the Polestar 3, that's been confirmed so far to showcase Smart Eye driver monitoring system. I'm not certain if other Polestar models will be making an appearance, but I do hope so. But right where the share prices is right now, it's still undervalued. At 11 billion in market cap, this company is still undervalued. They're going for 100,000 deliveries next year, and I hope next year is a record-breaking year again for Polestar. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment. Remember to check out our newsletter. Link is in the description. And remember to check out our Monument blog. This is something we launched just before the New Year's. This is an electric vehicle blog, but we'll also post architectural inspiration, auto news, design, and tech. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year's, and I'll see you in our next video.